So AI is literally everywhere these days. But here's a question for you. Is it actually speaking your language? I'm not talking about the generic one-size-fits-all stuff. I'm talking about a real operational partner, one that actually understands the unique pulse of your business. Today, we're going to break down how you can build exactly that.
Okay, let's just get right into it. We've all seen those super glossy AI demos. They look impressive, right? But here's the reality check. Does that shiny new AI really get what a critical defect means on your assembly line? Does it understand what you consider a high-priority risk in your facilities? The honest answer is probably not.
And that's the fundamental problem right there. See, generic AI is trained on generic data. It's kind of like hiring a world-famous chef and then asking them to cook your grandmother's secret family recipe, but you don't give them the instructions. Yeah, it'll make something that you can eat, but it's just not going to be the real thing. It doesn't know your secret sauce.
And that is precisely where Safely AI training comes into the picture. We're not just handing you a piece of software. We are literally building you a new team member, an AI that operates by your rules based on your standards. Let me show you how it works.
So what is Safely AI training? Well, think of it like this. We take our powerful Owlbert AI and Owlbert Vision, and we enrolled it in a crash course on everything that makes your business, well, you. It learns your context, your workflows, your standards. It basically becomes an in-house expert in your world. And what's the goal of all this? It's simple. We want you to have an AI that hits the ground running. From day one, you're getting relevant, actionable insights that you can actually trust. No more sifting through generic noise, just pure, targeted intelligence that's built for you.
Okay, so how do we actually make this happen? It's not magic, I promise. It's all about a really methodical, proven process that we call our 4-pillar training framework. This is our blueprint for building your perfect AI.
First, we kick things off with discovery, where we work together to figure out what success really looks like for you. Then we get into your data and embed your standards right into the system. Next up, we put Owlbert through its paces, training and configuring it to be your expert. And finally, we validate its performance and then roll it out into your operations.
That first phase, discovery, is so crucial. We basically become your strategic partners. We sit down with you, roll up our sleeves, and we work to translate your biggest operational challenges into really clear AI use cases, and the metrics we'll use to measure our success together.
Now, this is where it gets really cool. In the training phase, you're the teacher. We use your images, your videos, and your definitions of what's good and what's not to train Owlbert Vision. It literally learns to see your production line and your world through your eyes.
All right, so you've got this awesome custom-trained AI. What can you actually do with it? Let's take a look at some of the powerful features and applications that can totally change how you operate.
At its core, what you're getting is an AI that is built just for you, a custom vision model that becomes an absolute master at spotting your specific defects, analytics that can start to predict what's coming next, and a governed deployment so that you are always in control.
And really, the applications are just about endless. I mean, from predicting incidents to making audits a breeze, the possibilities are huge. For a lot of our customers, the journey starts right here, with quality assurance. And that's how their teams become true Owlbert Vision experts, proactively catching defects like never before.
This all sounds great in theory, but what about the bottom line? What's the real business impact? Well, it's about a fundamental shift in how you operate, moving away from constantly putting out fires and toward a proactive approach where you're shaping the future.
This quote right here says it all perfectly. The intelligence you get from Owlbert isn't based on some vague industry average. No, it's forged right there in your own operations, grounded in your data, your policies, your evidence. It's your reality, just amplified.
Honestly, the difference is like night and day. Before, you might have been drowning in data, always reacting to problems after they happen. Afterwards, you're ahead of the curve, making data-driven decisions with specific, actionable intelligence that tells you exactly what to do next.
And the results? They speak for themselves. You're making faster, more confident decisions. You're catching defects before they turn into major problems. And you're seeing a huge reduction in operational risk across the entire board. It's a total game changer.
So it really all boils down to this one idea. When you train an AI on your standards, you're not just buying another tool. You're actually building a proactive operational engine that runs on your own data.
So I'll just leave you with this one question. Are you ready to see what happens when an AI, specifically Owlbert Vision, becomes a true expert in your operational world? If the answer is yes, then the next step is simple. Book a demo with us. Let us actually show you what Owlbert Vision can do for your organization. Let's start the conversation about turning your operational data into your greatest competitive advantage.